Will this fishing tackle box help you catch fish? I want to talk to you guys today about this MadBite 400-piece fishing tackle set that my son and I had a chance to check out today. Thanks to the brand for sending it to us so that we could check it out and experience it for ourselves. So we went through it today, and there's a couple things we really love about it. First thing I love about it is that it's super compact, and as a mom, this is a big deal because it doesn't take up a lot of space, which I love. My son loves it because he can just grab it and go and put it in his backpack, so it's really nice and compact. And it has an easy clasp to open. So you just open this up and look at all this stuff here. This is 400 pieces all in this compact area. And all you have to do is push this little button up and this side pops up. It has all different things. I'm going to let my son explain some of them. He knows a little better than me, but one of the things he loved, he was so excited that there were so many different hooks in here. So that was a big deal to him because we're always in need of hooks. On the other side, there's two different compartments. So there's this one here. And then this pops down, they close very nicely, which is another thing we love, that you can take all this and just close it up and it's not going to get all mixed up in a big chaotic mess. It's all in its own compartment, so that is also another huge plus.
So in here we have rubber bands that go in the wacky rig. We have barrel swivels, we have split shots, and here's some weights that you can put inside a soft plastic lure. We also have hooks in here too. And in this other side right here, we have tons of weights for fishing the bottom. And we have jig heads, drop shot weights, more split shots, and my favorite part, a lot of hooks. I'm a bass fisherman and I really like all this tackle. I use it a lot.
So if you're looking for this set and having my son try some of these things out, I highly recommend this. I hope that helps you guys out.